200 meters, turn right onto Durgapur Purulia Raghunathpur Road, Saltura Kastolia Julie Mahia Road. Take the next right onto Durgapur Purulia Raghunathpur Road, Saltura Kastolia Julie Mahia Road. Continue on Durgapur Purulia Raghunathpur Road for 49 kilometers.
So after a beautiful long drive, we are on our way to Murguma, and this is the Ranchi Purulia highway. At the night view you can see the road is absolutely beautiful and stunning. So we are just 10 kilometers away from our destination. So let's hope that we are enjoying this drive, and it is really a fantastic place. So tomorrow morning I will show you the view from Murguma. Thanks for watching this video. After a long drive, yesterday we took rest, and today, this is the evening time, we are going towards the sunset from the top of the Murguma Dam. So this is the Murguma at Purulia, and it is known as the Scotland of Bengal. So let's explore the natural beauty of this land of red soil. So let's discover the untouched beauty of Bengal. Murguma is actually the last extreme point of Purulia, which is situated near the Ayodhya hill. So this barrage is known as Shahajor irrigation scheme, and this is the less popular destination. So that is why you can see this destination is very rich with the natural beauty. So let's discover the Murguma Dam, and this place is known as the Scotland of Purulia because of its beautiful, mesmerizing beauty of nature. So we are going to the top hill station point where we can see the sunset from that point. I heard about that place, and the sunrise from here you can see the mesmerizing view. So I'm very much excited. So let's go to the sunset point. So finally we reached at the top point of the Murguma Dam, and from here you can see the sunset. So already some bikers and travelers are waiting over there. So let's check the sunset from this point. And on our right hand side you can see the board of Shaharajur irrigation scheme. This is the end point of this dam, and now we have time, so we are going to visit the nearby villages from this Murguma dam, and after that we will return back to this point again to watch the sunset from this mesmerizing view of the hilltop. So we are going inside of that villages, so let's go to visit that places. It's truly an amazing place. It's all over the Ayodhya hills are surroundings over this place of Murguma, and it's located in a valley of Purulia. So hi everyone, now we are at the Murguma lake or Murguma dam you can say. So let's check the 360-degree view of this point. I'm just showing you the different corners of this Murguma dam. Amazing place. Many visitors are here, so they are coming for the sunset. The most amazing sunset is going on. So the beauty of each and every corner of Murguma you can see from this video. The step by steps our sun is setting down, and you can see the reflection from the sun rays in the water of Murguma lake. This reflection is there, and it's totally a mesmerizing view. Already the half sun set already done. I will show you the full video of the sunset from here. Just look at the sun and enjoy the sunset from the Murguma dam. Amazing, it's truly an amazing sunset. It gives me the feels of Netarhat again. Few years ago I have shown you the Netarhat sunset from the Netarhat Magnolia viewpoint. Again I'm showing you this sunset from Purulia Murguma dam, and really it's a Scotland of Bengal. Wow, just amazing. You must come and visit this place. Tomorrow I will show you the Ayodhya hills and the hilltop of Ayodhya. So now it's time to going back to our rest house, and we are on the way to our hotel. So after this mesmerizing sunset, we are feeling very happy. Please visit this place of Purulia. This is very interesting one, and I like it very much. I think this place is totally a untouched beauty, will gives you a pleasure to you and your family. Must visit it in your bucket list. So this is the hilly road we are climbing towards our hotel, and today we will take rest here, and tomorrow we will go to visit the Ayodhya hill. So please stay with us, and thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please like, share and comments. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Today we are going to Ayodhya hill from Murguma. So last night we spent at Murguma, and today we are going to Ayodhya. So this road leads to our destination Ayodhya hill. So it takes 10 to 12 kilometers from Murguma to Ajodha, and it will take half an hour most probably. So let's check. We are on the way. So enjoy this beautiful journey. Thank you and stay with us. Welcome to the Kushalpalli Resort. So finally, a long drive from Murguma to Ayodhya Hill. We reached at the hilltop, and you can see a beautiful resort over here. And this is the Kushalpalli Resort. And this is amazing place. You can see all around us. We have the greenery, and so let's check the entire resort from this part. This is the entrance of the Kushalpalli, and we have the battery cars over here. So this left hand side is the restaurant part, and the right hand side is the reception. So let's go to the reception section first, and then we will show you the different parts of this resort. This is basically the playground over here in this resort, and my niece is feeling very happy and excited to be here. It's a truly an amazing resort. So now let's enjoy the Chhou dance from Purulia, and the performers are the local dancers from the villages. So just enjoy this dance performance from Purulia, Ayodhya Hill. finally, today is the day of Dashami, or you can say the Vijay Dashami or Dashera. So today we are leaving Ayodhya finally, and we are going to home. So we enjoyed each and every moment here, especially the natural beauty all around us. It makes us very happy. So I hope that all of you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please share, comments and like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and stay with us till the last, because we have to show you something very interesting at the last part of this video. So stay with us. Thank you so much. So finally we reached at the Durgapur DVC Canal Immersion Ghat. So you can see the sunset and as well as the immersion process. So Durga Puja, the last day, this is the Dashami, Vijay Dashami. I wish you happy Vijay Dashami to all my friends and family members. So you can see the immersion process from this part, and this is the very saddest moment for everyone, that Ma is going to Kailash again, for we have to wait 1 year again for this Durga Puja celebration. So let's pray to God or the Almighty that we can fight against this pandemic situation as soon as possible. We can recover from this situation and hope for the best. Joy Ma Durga, Abar Esho Ma. Shubho Vijaya Dashami to all my well wishers and family members.